show you a little tool here that I got, and this Autel battery system checker. It's an interesting little tool. It has basic OBD2 capabilities, but it's primarily it'll check your charging system and other things. And there's a little, I'll take it up here right now, and I'm going to plug into my data link connector. I'm used to having my Explorer, and then it's over in a different spot. All right, there's your little. We're plugged in into the dash there. Okay. Now then, this little rascal here, I'm going to carry that. All right, when you turn it on, you got to hold the button long enough so that it'll know it needs to be turned on. And you can see it booting up right there. This is it's a little difficult to film this screen. But see, you got your little menu there, and you're going to do an in-vehicle test. You notice your choices here are out-of-vehicle test, battery reset, multimeter. Bring it inside the vehicle with me so I could do the stuff it wants done a whole lot better. All right, and so this is a checklist. You got to tell it when you've done all of this stuff. All right, I'm telling it I've done all of that, and then I'm going to start testing. Battery detection is in progress. All right, turn on the headlamps. I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to turn on the headlamps. And it's getting rid of the surface charge because I've had the engine running. And so the surface charge is going away. And after it clears the surface charge, it'll move on. And I tell it, I believe the battery that I told it I had is the right one. It's got a battery cover on it. Turn off the headlamps. I'm turning off the headlamps. And now it's detecting the battery. And it's almost through there. Okay, look at that. Doggone. We've only got 655 cold cranking amps, and it's supposed to be 850 because that's what I told it I had. Okay, now I'm going to continue. It's already told me to replace the battery. Ensure the ignition is off. All right, I'm going to hit that checkpoint and start testing. All right, waiting for the vehicle to start. All right, we got him started. Starting voltage is 11.96. Starting current didn't give me that. And I don't know if this thing has got a current clamp available for it or not, because see, it was looking for starting current. All right, now I'm going to hit continue. All right, procedure 1, turn off electric appliances such as headlamps and AC. All of that's off. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit continue now. And it's still doing its little test here. Keep the engine speed between 2 and 3,000. It's got a little tack on there where you can see what you're doing there. All right, I'm going to hit continue. Release the accelerator. Hit continue. Turn on the appliances such as the air conditioner and the fan and the AC. I got all that stuff on. Hit continue. Keep it up to 22. It's giving me these instructions on what to do. Release the accelerator. That's nice when it falls off the seat. Gotta love that. Continue. Turn off the appliances. Alright, now we're going to hit continue. Alright, no load voltage, no load. See, it doesn't, I don't have a way to measure current because they didn't send anything to do that with. But the ripple, you might notice, is, it even gives you a picture of the ripple. Isn't that cool? Alright, that's what it tells me about my alternator. That tells me about my voltage. Alright. And that tells me about my load voltage. See, all of that's within spec. All that charging normal, it tells me. Okay, done. All right then. Now, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and print Now, if you got it connected to the internet, you can do an update. I've already done that. You can do remote desktop, and you can actually put it on a computer screen so you can see it that way. And you got your data manager and test records. And you put your workshop information in there. Okay, the result on this one is to replace the battery. Alright, now if I want to print that, I can print it. See, and this is something you'll give your customer. And I didn't put any of the shop information or anything like that. But I thought you would like to see this, and so I'm going to go ahead and see. This is what the printout looks like. Of course, you know it's all curled up and everything. Alright, that's what the printout looks like. I keep wanting to turn this sideways because I'm used to taking still photos. And see, that's telling me everything I need to know there about what needs to be done and all that. Now, I wish it would give me a picture of the ripple. Of course, I told it the battery was an 850 cold cranking out battery, and it may not be. But anyway.